You look like a scary monster. But then again, in the light, you are a scary monster. Y'all are horrible people. Y'all using me like a toy.
You make it sound like you just found out.
Am I just the like...
You're just a game we like to play.
Just like all the guys in my DMs.
I was about to say that. Thank you for taking the words out of my mouth.
They're trying to make it into my shirt. It should be easy.
Try not to hit your face.
Oh, don't bother.
And I went hard.
Why do you feel the need to hit the camera? You're like, the camera is like over here and I'm like right here and you just like, what?
It started.
Okay, holy shit. If only you could see, this is a good fight going on. They're pulling hair, they're throwing stuff.
You need my...
Yo, what happened? We counted down to nothing.
I know. Damn, this is the best part. There's like nothing in the air. Oh, frick yeah, America. Oh, hell yeah, baby.
This is great camera quality, like this lighting.
Yeah, I love it. With this weekend firework, there's not a damn thing in the sky. It is completely blank.
What I mean when I said I want to pop my pussy at the club.
Cosmo and Wanda, you ain't slick. You know.
Trying to get an aesthetic shot. Look straight into the camera.
Yeah, pretty much. I like go to start to pan and then you look at the camera like dead in the face like,
Oh my god, I'm like, what the fuck do you want, bitch?
ew. Playing the slow jams.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now.